This is CNBC's live blog covering all the latest news on the coronavirus outbreak. This blog will be updated throughout the day as the news breaks. The coronavirus outbreak across the U.S. continues to grow, with the country reporting another record single-day spike of more than 6,200 new cases on Thursday, according to data collected by Johns Hopkins University. As the virus spreads rapidly across the so-called Sun Belt, some state officials are reimplementing restrictions on high-risk businesses like bars and mandating face coverings in more places. The data below was compiled by Johns Hopkins University. The coronavirus is, most likely, transmitted through particles in the air, according to the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control (ECDC). Josep Jansa, group leader of response at the ECDC, told CNBC's Squawk Box Europe on Friday that it was most likely there is potential for aerosol transmission of COVID-19. He added that the ECDC had never discarded this as a possibility, and said there was evidence the coronavirus had spread more easily in closed environments or when people participated in activities like choir singing. The World Health Organization said this week that it was reviewing new evidence on whether COVID-19 can spread through particles in the air. The ECDC, which expects coronavirus cases to begin rising again in Europe over the coming months, recommends wearing face coverings, combined with other prevention measures, to mitigate the spread of the disease. It has to be a combination because using masks and putting that as the main and central measure can bring this false sense of safety, Jansa told CNBC. People think, while I'm using a mask I don't need to do anything else, and that's not the case. So, clear ventilation of spaces, respiratory etiquette, together with the other measures, that's the way forward. TaylorItalian Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has warned the country will likely need to extend its state of emergency beyond the current deadline of July 31st. The prospect of an extension to the state of emergency means Italy will be able to remain in a position to continue taking the necessary measures, Conte said, according to Reuters. The Eurozone's third-largest economy had declared a 6-month state of emergency at the end of January, paving the way for the government to act quickly to respond to the coronavirus outbreak. To date, Italy has recorded over 240,000 cases of the coronavirus, with 34,926 related deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. MeredithNevada plans to roll back some of its reopening, shutting down bars in certain counties with growing outbreaks, Governor Sisolak announced late Thursday. The order, which has not yet been issued, will take effect at 11:59 p.m. Friday, Sisolak said.